here at the Home Decor. I love the seedlings. So I'm back. Yeah. So we have lemon thyme, green organic, German thyme, lavender, something, bunny plants, lavender, Greek oregano, basil, Thai basil, English thyme, sweet mint, yeah, whole bunch of tea stuff, cilantro. It's a mixture here, tea and other vegetables. You go ahead. Sweet pepper, slicer tomato, $3.98 per me vegetables. So let's go for this side. This side we have romaine tomatoes, all different tomatoes, San Marzano, Strippy, Better Bush, Early Grace, Cherokee Purple, Rogers, Big Boy, all different tomatoes, over here it's rosemary. Ooh. So guys, you can come and get your tea stuff here at Home Depot. Summer is coming up, you can plant. So we're at the vegetable, eggplants, red bell, sweet pepper, bunny green bell, yellow bell, different basket of pepper. Rosemary then. Rosemary makes nice tea. Yep. Rosemary makes nice tea, guys. On this side, vegetables continue. What is this again? This lettuce. This look like, oh, it's butter crunch lettuce. The lettuce, they look nice. Sweet pepper again, California, but we have also strawberry. Yeah. Burpee. These are burpee. Rosemary again. Rosemary. Sweet basil or basil. Whatever it is. This look like lime tree. Oh, this look like lime tree. Look. It's limes. Yes, it's lime tree. I come from Jamaica and I know lime tree. Look. Of course it's lime tree. See? Lime. Yeah. Lemons. Yeah, also lemons. So now let's get to the plants. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Yeah. Beautiful flowers, guys. Beautiful. This looks like summer. Beautiful plants. Look like summer. Beautiful. Wow. So beautiful. It's time to plant. So beautiful.
I've never done a garden.
Oh,
This is
really?
new.
You gonna try this time?
Yeah.
Okay, great. She's never done a garden. Me never done a garden, but me help 1 and 2 times on long time. I'm not an outside person, so I don't like dirt like that. Afraid of worm and them sitting there. Cow pots, $9.99. 6-pack. Yeah, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alice Garden Center. Yeah. Beautiful. And guys, remember these plants. Hibiscus. Hibiscus plants. Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Different hibiscus. Different colors. Hibiscus plants. Wow. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Winchester Sanity. Beautiful plants. So you can do full plant this season if you want. All here at Home Depot. And then you have the mulch for the plants. Brown mulch, red mulch down there, pea pebbles here, potting mix up there, and different things to keep your plants healthy. Perennials. Once and they come back every year. See, you plant this once after snow and then dead out, then come back when it's summertime and springtime. See, this is not bad. The planting is not so bad. So you just plant once. Not bad. Not bad at all. I would do that planting. Can't be in the ground every year. Can't. But yes, guys, lovely plants, lovely plants, lovely plants. So knockout, red rose. I like this. Rose petite. I like this. So for those who are plants, what do you call it now? Plant lovers. These are the plants for you. I'm showcasing. You can get these at Home Depot. Yeah. If you're in the United States. Ooh, these ones are pretty. You can get them here. There are several other plants, guys. And then you have the Christmas tree down there. So Christmas soon come again. Ooh, several plants. So you can get them at Home Depot. I'm just bringing it to you. Thank you so much for watching my plant video. Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you. And continue to watch, like, and support until I upload another video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Peace out. Bye.